Hey guys, what is up? The Rocky Mountain Fam Man here. Welcome back. Today we have something quite special. We have a black and rosewood Casablanca stove. I got two of these at Habitat. This one came without glass, but I put the other one's glass on it because why not? This one is Comfort Touch, but it has a black Comfort Touch remote. I'll start off with the light. Why is it not turning on? Just as I had it on the other day. There it goes. We'll start with low. The scraping is the light kit. The flywheels, I think it's either broken or loose on this one. So I have to get a new flywheel. Just realized the camera is way too far out. Yeah, that's speed 1. Here's speed 2. The light kit's loose. Don't know how to fix it. Yeah, I don't know. Speed 3. Dang it. I had it. Speed 4. Speed 5. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the flywheel. It either needs a new one or it needs to be tightened. My guess is it needs a new one. And speed 6. With the light on. And it's pretty freaking powerful. Light off and off. Now it's gonna start scraping. I think. No? Yep. There it goes. Or not. Oh. That's for the glass to come off. I don't want that to come off. It does have the hang true and but it's missing the hatch, so I gotta get a new. Actually, no, it has the hatch. It's missing the controller remote. So this one was labeled 60, hold on, focus. 62 kitchen. So, yeah. And yeah, it's got all the buttons in here. So, this is gonna be the thumbnail. It's taking a while to slow down. I don't know why, because it's even taking that long. And I can't figure out how to get a double claw off an original. Sadly. I don't know why, but I can't. I'm just gonna stop it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.